In this lesson, we will learn how to delete rows or columns in a Pandas data frame. Okay, for that, we use the drop method. Using this method, you can remove a specific row or column. Under the drop method, you need to mention whether you want to delete a column or a row. Let's see how. First, we will see how to drop a column, then we will see how to drop a row. So these two examples we will cover in this concept. Let us begin with the first example in which we will learn how to drop a column using the drop method. Okay, I told you we'll be playing around the x's. Okay, if under the drop method we will set x's is equal to 1, it will drop a column, or we can also set x's is equal to columns to achieve the same. Let's see the example. Here we have our PyCharm ID. We are using the free and open source PyCharm Community Edition. Let us create a new project. Go to File, New Project. Add a name. Okay, Pandas delete rows columns. You can add any name. Okay, and the location of the project is the following. Click Create. Here we have created. Right click here now to create a new Python file. Right click New Python file. Mention the name of the file. I'll mention demo1. You can mention any name. When I'll press enter, it will automatically add the .py extension because Python file is by default selected. I've added demo1.py. Right click New Python file. Demo2, press enter. And now we have created both the files. Now let us begin. First I'll add comments. Okay, I've added the comments. Now let me import pandas as PD. PD is an alias we have added using the as keyword. Let me add a dataset first, or data for the data frame. I'm adding the ID first. Now the second column, let's say student, that will include the student's name. Then rank. And then the marks. Okay, we have added the marks also now. That's it. Create a data frame. We have created an object here, data frame. Type PD, that is pandas dot data frame method, and within that mention the data. That's it. We have created a data frame. Display, print it. Student records. Drop a column. Okay, let me create a resultant data frame, an object. I'll mention data frame dot drop method, and within this I'll drop a column. Okay, let's say I'll drop the marks column. For that, mention the column name, that's it, and then mention the axis. I have marked axis parameter as column because I want to delete the marks column. Now mention the result, print it. RESDF was having a result. Okay, this looks fine. I'll go to file, save all, right click, run demo 1. Okay, marks M is capital, fine. Right click, run demo 1. Here we were having 4 columns, now we have 3 columns because we have removed the marks column by just mentioning axis as columns. You can also mention it as 1. Let's say I'll mention 1 and it will work in a similar way. Right click, run demo 1. 4 columns and now 3 columns. We have deleted the marks column. So you can mention 1 here or columns. In this way you can drop a column from a pandas data frame. We use the drop method and the axis value was set to 1 or columns to drop a column. Now in the next example we will delete a row using the drop method only, but in the brackets we will set the axis to 0. That would be the rows axis. So you can mention 0 or you can directly mention index to delete a row. Here we have our second example, import pandas as PD. Now let us create our data for the data frame. You can take it from here, data, and I'll print it. I have created 4 columns. Now I'll drop a row. For that, create a resultant data frame. Data frame.drop, and within this mention the row with index 2. That means the third row will get removed. So mention 2, and axis is equal to, I told you, you can mention index here or 0. And that's it. Just print the result. RESDF will be having a result. You can mention a message data frame after removing a row. Go to file, save all, right click, run demo 2. Here I told you I was having 5 row records and 4 columns. Okay, I have removed the second one. That means second index, that is the third position, 1, 2, 3. I have removed the Jacob one from here. You can see the Jacob record, student Jacob's record removed. In this way we can work around the drop method to remove a row. You can also mention a 0 here. I told you axis 0 directly. I'll right click and run demo 2, and you can see the same result will be visible. So we can see the Jacob's result deleted. So in this way guys, we can delete a row. In this video we saw how we can easily delete a row or column using the drop method. What you want to remove depends on what you add in the access parameter.